That's a mangrove. Good God, locked up, baby.
Get him.
I can't.
There you go, pump it. There you go.
What's going on, y'all? We are out here today offshore. Got my buddy Rusty right there, and way on back there somewhere is Jack Moran, yakking with Jack. I will link his YouTube information down below. But we are heading out. We are a week away from opening of snapper season, so we're going to try to check on some things, see if we can find some bigger offshore species. Never really know what we're going to catch out here today, but yeah, that's pretty much the deal. We're gonna get out here, get on the spot, drop some lines. All right, so as we're heading out to the spot, we're a little bit over halfway right here, and this is our cluster of reefs. That's where we're heading. We're already in 62 foot of water, and we're about a mile offshore right now. Our total distance is gonna be right around a mile and a half, 2 miles, and that should put us on the spot. Hopefully when we get there, we're gonna see a lot of arches on the screen. I'll show you the screen, show all that to y'all, and kind of talk y'all through the process and what we're doing to catch these fish. All right, so we just pulled up to our first piece of structure right there, sticking up about 10 foot off the bottom. Do got some bait fish and looks like some bigger fish sitting on it. So we're gonna start off by dropping down a chicken rig. Just got 2 3/0 hooks right here, small hooks, and the goal is to pick up either some bait fish, some trigger fish. I believe trigger fish is in season right now. I will check that, but yeah, we just got some shrimp. We're gonna drop it down on a chicken rig, see if we can pick up some of those. That looks like trigger on the screen right there. I mean, it is just lit up like crazy. All right, first drop with the chicken rig going down. There we go, there we go. All right, first bite. Oh, it ain't gonna be nothing huge, but it is feeling like a trigger. That's because it is a trigger. All right, well, I believe trigger fish is in season. This guy right here would not make the cut at all. They gotta be, I believe, 15 inches, 15, 16 inches. I will check that though before I go to put anything in the box. Come on, be a bait fish. That's a bait fish. Come on, come on. Did you get my bait? There he is. Ah, it's feeling too big to be a bait fish. Be a bait fish. Give me a oh, ho, ho, and that is bait. Well, this is what we're looking for with the chicken rig right here. That was the main purpose of dropping the chicken rig down right there, is to pick up these guys. This is a ruby red lip. You can kind of see inside of his mouth, he does got tiny teeth. Inside his mouth is just red right there. Or you could call this a grunt because, well, he's grunting. So we're gonna go ahead and rig this up on a Carolina rig, drop them down, and see if we can smash a hammer, because that right there is primo bait. All right, grunt going down. Oh, oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. Oh, he got me. All right, well, that's our first fish we lost. Broke me. Had me in the structure. Drop and grunt down, take 2. Y'all, Rusty has just hooked an absolute giant. It's towing him way off. Gotta be a Goliath or something. No, no way that's a snapper. He thought he was hung up. He was stalemated back here in the reef, and somehow got him out.
Oh, you doing good, buddy?
Keep going.
I hope it ain't this.
Y'all, this is crazy, man. This is gonna be one of the biggest fish I've ever seen pull from this reef.
You got your knife handy, right? Just in case it's the man in the gray suit.
Oh, what a dig.
Holy crap.
Come on, Rusty, you got this, dude.
It is legit pulling you sideways, son. Look, get that nose forward, buddy.
Woo, we about to collide right here. Oh, snap. Come on, Rusty. There you go. Reel down. Get him up. Get him up.
Be a man. Do it.
There you go. Keep going. Pump.
Let's go.
Get him up. Break his wheel. Keep lifting. There's structure down there. He's going to eventually find some.
You might got a jack, a big old amberjack.
Man, I don't know. I mean, it's possible. Come on. Keep going, Rusty. Make him give up. What's going through your head right now, Rusty? Everybody wants to know.
Pain.
Pain? You just don't let that kayak go sideways, because once the more you get him up off the bottom, the more leverage he has to dump you. I know you're tired, man. You got to keep going.
There you go.
There you go. 2 more pumps. Let's go. Lift up. Lift. Is he taking line from you? Or is he holding?
No, he's taking off.
Shit. Hey, my dude won't hold another fish all day. His arms are jello.
Hey, man, you caught that fish hard.
Hey, ain't no shame in that, brother. What a battle. What a battle, dude. Y'all comment below, what did Rusty hook? Jack and I have come to the conclusion it can only be one of 3 things. At first we were thinking maybe an AJ. AJs don't have that kind of wheel. They're very strong fish, but man, it would have to be a massive AJ to do that. And in 60 foot of water, I don't think that's a possibility. Could have been a big shark, but the fish was staying down. And typically sharks are gonna run out.
How much I have left? It was right here.
And the 3rd option is a Goliath grouper. That's what we're leaning towards. We think it was a big Goliath. All right, y'all, so we absolutely got wrecked a few times, broke off. Little upset, a little heartbroken, but I have a bag of chopped up cigar minnows right here. We're about to start scattering it like crazy. We all got 5 pounds, so there's 15 pounds of chum that's about to go out here in the water. And hopefully we can bring some fish up. And then I just got a free line set up that I'm gonna sling some chunks out there, try to pick them up.
Black, I need a big black.
There we go. There they are. Starting to get them to come up. There he is, there he is, there he is.
Let's go, Nate.
On.
Good fish. Good fish.
30-pound test right there. That should be a mangrove.
Oh, shark on it, shark on it, shark on it.
I'm on, I'm picking them up, picking them up, picking them up. Them are some red snappers. Woo, well, wrong species. Oh, we're after mangrove snapper. Well, there was a shark about to chew down on this dude, buddy. I saw the shark, yeah. All right, we'll see you, buddy. Bye-bye. Go, run fast, swim. So, like I said, we got a 3/0 circle hook right here, just free lining, no weight at all. And those pieces of chum that we got, we're just taking that bait and we want to bury it pretty good. These mangroves are very finicky. They have incredible eyesight. If they see that hook, they will not eat it. Oh, come on. Be a mangrove. Be a mangrove.
Be a mangrove. Be the right one. Come on. Get him up, Daddy. Get him up, Daddy.
Looking like a mangrove from here.
Let's go. Get him up. I missed mine.
I think it's red. Red snapper. Red snapper number 2. Well, that's red snapper number 2. These guys are out of season. They'll be in season here in a week or so. Got to be 16 inches to keep. That would be a keeper. And they are just all under us right now. We're just trying to bring those mangroves up, but those mangroves are really, really smart. The snapper are eating the bait, but the mangroves are turning away from it.
Like a big mangrove.
Bye-bye. Eat it. He looking at it. He looking at it. He got it. He's got it. He's got it. I think that's a red snapper. Come on. Get up. Get up. Don't get in the structure. Don't get in the structure. I know it's a big fish. Ain't nothing I can do. There we go. He's coming.
Let's go.
He's coming up.
Bad word.
Gotta get him up. Gotta get him up. Damn it.
No.
Coming?
Yep, I got one right here.
Go. Oh, he's on it. I think that's a mangrove. And go. Go, baby. Look out, Rusty. Come up. Come up. I'm getting them.
That's a red.
It's a red.
I think, I don't know. It might be mangrove.
Ah,
There's a dolphin or shark underneath your kayak. Is that a red?
it's a mangrove, baby. It's a huge one.
Get the net, get the net. Hurry up.
Help me. Help me, Tom Cruise.
Yes! Let's go, baby!
Boom! Yeah!
Let's go!
Boom! Let's go! Yeah! I didn't think I was recording for a minute. I was like, whoa! Look at him! Boom! We get to eat dinner tonight, fellas. All right, y'all check out this fish right here. That has got to be my PB mangrove. What an amazing catch. Out here chumming these guys up. Get a real quick measurement of her, get a picture, and we're gonna be throwing this guy in the box. All right, y'all. Well, that right there is a 21-inch mangrove snapper. That somehow perfectly landed in the box after he tried to flop out. How lucky am I? Let's go. So it is incredible watching these mangrove snapper come up and eat this chum. We can see our bait falling and they're coming up to it, nosing up to it, looking at it, and just turning off of it, and they're eating the rest of the chum. These fish are just incredibly smart. It's really impressive to see that they're in a feeding frenzy. They're eating the chum and they still take a little bit of time to make sure that they're not falling for a trap or whatever. We're gonna rig back up, drop back down. It'd be cool to see if we can catch one more of those. All right, so we just threw some chum out. It's sinking down right now, and I'm just feeding that line until my line starts to run, which I think, no, nothing picked it up. Just gonna wait for my line to kind of run off. They're all under us, everywhere. There's a massive, massive shark right there. My goodness, what a shark. There he is, he's on. That's a mangrove. Good God, locked up, baby.
Get him. Lift him up.
I can't.
There you go, pump it. There you go. Come on,
He got shark. Boy, that sucks. How y'all doing? How you doing?
Get the head back, get it. Nope.
Bye-bye. Dang it. All right, y'all. Well, it has been a killer day out here as far as being able to see things, hooked up on a ton of fish. Got wrecked a ton. The amount of sharks that are out here right now is just stupid. I mean, anytime we hook up right now, it's just getting sharked every time. Really nothing we can do about that. Can't really outrun them here in the kayaks. But we did get that one mangrove, so we're gonna go ahead, head into the beach now, And we're gonna go to the house and cook this mangrove snapper up. Y'all stay tuned. This is gonna be good. All right, well, after a long day on the water, we are back at the house now, and we are about to whip up a nice little snack. Got that mangrove snapper right here. Only used half of the fillet, or half of the fish, one fillet, chopped it up right here. And we're just gonna fry this up. I am gonna use the other half to do some ceviche with, a little bit later on. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fry this fish. I'm gonna show y'all how this thing comes together, do a little taste test. All right, so I got my little cast iron skillet over there, along with some canola oil. We're just gonna put a little bit in this pan right here, and go ahead and turn that on. Get my oil heating up. We're gonna try to get our oil to about 360, 375. And then while our oil is heating up, we're just gonna go ahead and whip up our fry seasoning batter. And we're gonna go in, do about equal parts of flour. That should be enough right there. And then equal parts cornmeal. Yellow cornmeal, might I add. Something like that right there. And then we got some Old Bay. Give it a little dump-a-roo. Season up our flour and cornmeal, just like that. And then we're gonna add a little extra kick, some Zatarain's blackening seasoning. And we're just gonna whip up, mix that all together. And then we're just gonna take our mangrove snapper, dump it in that flour mix, and just kind of real easily incorporate all that, get it nice and coated. All right, we got our oil going to about 360, 370 right now. I'll pop that fish in there. Try not to crowd the pan too bad, which we ain't got a whole lot here. Like I said, it's only one fillet. We should be able to fit it all right here. We're just gonna let that fish go until it's golden brown. Try to flip it over at least once, get the top side. And yeah, probably be about 6 or 7 minutes and she'll be ready to eat. All right, I do believe the time has come. That's what we're looking for right there, that golden brown color. Yeah, that fish is ready to come off. All right, well, the time has come, y'all. There it is. That is our fried mangrove snapper. And yeah, we're just gonna go in for a little bite for y'all. That's good fish. Super clean, flaky fillet. There's an airplane up there. It's really loud. Sorry about that, but awesome fish, y'all. This guy was swimming just a few hours ago, and now we're eating it. So really good fish. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, hit the like button, comment with any questions, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all next time.